Good morning, class. Sairam to all. How are you all? I hope you all are also very good and your exams are also very well. Yes? Exams were good or not? Good? Yes. So I hope you all are practicing at home. So I welcome you all in our maths class. So today we are going to continue the same chapter. Which chapter we were? Yes. Which chapter we were doing? Yes. We were doing chapter number 8, that is decimals. Right. So we have already completed exercise 8.1 and 8.2. So today we are going to start the exercise that is 8.3. Okay. We have already discussed how to represent decimals in words like 0.03, 1.20, writing the decimals in the words form. Okay, and we have seen that how to add up the decimals numbers. We have discussed the place value table for the decimals, that how to show the decimals in the place value chart. Okay, yes, we have seen that the table and the boxes inside, and we have calculated the decimals in numbers. Okay, yes, we have also completed that how to uh, represent the number in the decimals form, or we have also discussed that how to divide the numbers like by 10, by 100, how to represent them, right? So we have all discussed so many things prior. So today we are going to start 8.3 exercise, right? So we this is the 8.3 exercise. So first question we have is which is greater. You have to tell that which number is greater. So first one we have, that is 0.3 or 0.4. So as you all know, we have discussed that if a number is like this, so this is the 0, or you can say 8, assume it. So this is the ones place, and this number will be having the tens place. But as soon as we talk about the decimal point, the digits after decimal point, so first digit we have is the tenths place, TENTHS, tenths place. Now the number 4 will be having hundredths place, and number 6 will be having thousandths place, right? So this we have already discussed prior. Same way, as we are having two numbers, so how to check which number is greater? First calculate the number of digits in front of decimal point and in back of decimal point. As you all can observe here, this is also 0, this is also 0, but after that point we have 0.3, it is having 4. So it is very easy to tell that which number is will be greater. So this 3 is greater or 4 is greater? 0.4 will be greater than 0.3, right? Because the 10th part of 0.4 is greater than 0.3. Now moving to the next question, that is 0.07 or 0.02. We have this number. So as we can see, while dividing 0.07 by 100, representing as a fraction form, it will be 7 by 100, because this is 0.07. How we will represent? We will remove the decimal point and we will increase the 0 after decimal point. So after decimal point we are having two digits, so we will increase 2 zeros. So we will divide 7 by 100. So it will be 0.07 only. Okay, same way, so we are having the number 0.07 and this is 0.02. This is also same, this is also same, this is also same, this is also same, but the number after which place is this? Yes, tell me which place is this? Yes, this is hundredths place. And which place is this? This is also hundredths place, not 100. This is hundredths place. HUNDREDTH, hundredths place. So this is 2 and this is 7. Which number is greater? this 7 digit is greater than 0.02. Okay, now number C we are having 3 or 0.8. It is very easy. This is the decimal point and this is just a number. So which number will be greater? 3 will be greater than 0.8. Okay, now we are having the next number, that is 0.5 or 0.05. So it is having 0.5. This is having 0.05. As you can see, after the decimal point we have the 10th place as 5 and here we have the 10th place as 0. So which number will be greater, 0 or 5? Yes, 0.5 will be greater than 0.05. Okay, the 10th term of 0.5 is greater than that of 0.05. Now moving to the E part, we have 1.23 and this is 1.2. As you can see, this is same, this is same, this is same, this is same, but no number here. So it means which number will be greater? Because after the decimal point we have the 10th place, this is also the 10th place, but here is the 100th place, no 100th place is given. So it means this will be smaller and this will be bigger. So which number will be greater? The 100th term of 1.23 is greater than that of 1.2. I hope this is understood to you. This is 0.099 and this is 0.19. Okay, now tell me which number is greater. See, this is given 0. This is same, this is same, this is same, this is same. This is in 10th place, this is 0 and in 10th place it is 1. So you have to calculate each and every place. Okay, don't count the digit that this is 99, so it will be greater. No, first of all count one place. This 10th place is 0, this is 0 and this is 1. So which number will be greater, 0 or 1? 1. So the 10th term or the 10th place of 0.19 is greater than that of 0.099. Now moving to the G part. This is 1.5 and next is 1.50. Okay, this is 1.5 and next is 1.50. So this will be what will be the answer for this? Answer for this will be equal. Now tell me how. Let me show you. See, this is 1.5. How we will represent it? 1 plus, this is 10th place, it means 5 is dividing by 10, right? Yes. Now we will represent 1.50. 1.50, it will be same 1 plus 5 upon 10, because this is the 10th place, so we will divide by 10, plus this is the 100th place, this is 0, 0 will be divided by 100. So if any number is divided by 0, 100, if 0 is divided by 100, what will come? 0 only. So this is same and this is same. No need of this. So it is same, it is same. The answer is also same for both the numbers. 1.5 is equal to 1.50. Okay. Now moving to the H part. This is 1.431. This is 1.490. You can observe this is same, this is same. 10th place it is same. 100th place this is 9. This is 9 and this is 3. So the 100th term of 1.490 is greater than that of 1.431. Okay, so this will be greater than this number. Now moving to the same as 3.3 or 3.300. Okay, now tell me which number will be greater. See, if you will observe, these two numbers are same. Okay, each places are same, but it includes 0 and here is no 0. So if you will express it 3.3, how you will express? You will write 3 plus 3 upon 10, right? Yes. But if you will express 3.300, how you will write? 3 plus 3 upon 10 plus 0 upon 100 plus 0 upon 1000, right? So what we are observing, that if any number is if 0 is divided by any number, we will get 0 only. So no place for zeros. So your answer are same. Here answer are same. 3 plus 3 by 10 and same for 3.3. Okay, also okay, both answers are same, so the answer for these numbers will be equal. Okay, both are equal in numbers. Next we have the last one is 5.64 and or 5.603. So the 100th term of 5.64 is greater than that of 5.603. Okay, yes, this is the solution. You all can observe here. This is a solution which we have discussed now only. Now moving to the question number 2. Okay, we have the question number 2, like make 5 more examples and find the greater. Okay, you all have to make yourself, make 5 more example and find the greater number yourself. Okay, so we are having the two numbers here, that is first one we have is 1.8 or 1.82. Which number is greater? See, 1 place is same, after decimal point 10th place is also same, but as soon as you move to the 100th place, one is having 0 and another is having 2. So number 2 will be greater, right? So 1.82 is greater than 1.8. Now moving to the next part, we have 1.0009 or 1.0900. Which number will be greater? If you will compare, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is 0, this is 0, okay, but as soon as you come to the 100th place, this is 0 and this is 9. So which number will be greater? This number will be greater than this number. Okay, 1.09 is greater than 1.0009. Okay, yes. Now moving to the C part, we have 10.01 or 100.10. Which one will be greater, 100 or 10? Yes, it is very easy. 100.1 is greater than 10.01. Now moving to the D part, we have 5.100, 5.0100. Okay, you can observe the 10th place here is 0 and here is 1. 1 is greater or 0 is greater? 1 is greater. So this number will be greater than this number. 5.1 is greater than 5.0100. Now moving to the E part, we have 0.04.213 or 0.421 0.3. Okay, which number is greater? Yes, it is 04.213, and this is 0421.3. So it means before point we have how many digits? We have 421.3, and this is 4.213. So which number is greater? This number is greater. Okay, 421.3 is greater than this number, 4.213. So I hope the chapter exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, you all have got what we have discussed. So practice all the questions related to the exercises 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. Now further we are going to start the exercise 8.4, which is related to the money or rupees or paise, you can say. Okay, you all should know how to convert all these numbers. Meters we are going to change into centimeters, and meters, okay, millimeter to centimeters, and decimals, and how to add up the numbers, how to change the grams, how to add the decimal numbers. So this is going to be very easy. So keep on practicing the above exercises which we have discussed. So practice the exercise 8.1, 8.2, and up to 8.3. Make it clear. Whatever is coming any problem in your mind, make it very clear, otherwise you will not able to get what we have discussed. Okay, so keep on practicing all these exercises. Okay, we will meet very soon in our next class. Till then, Sairam, take care of yourself, keep on practicing, learn new things at home. Okay, clear your doubts. If you have any doubt, clear it, go through it, search from books, search from Google. Okay, practice the questions, so it will be very much helpful for you in your 7th standard, right? So practice more, get more. Till then, Sairam, take care of yourself, take care of your family member. We will meet very soon.